VBENLEM commercial juicer machine, 110 volts juice extractor, 120 W orange squeezer for 22 to 30 per minute. Electric orange juice machine with pull-out filter box Seuss 304 tank stainless cover and 2 buckets. About this item's steady material. The fresh orange juice machine is made of food-grade stainless steel and PP material, which makes it perfectly durable and sturdy. The powerful 120-watt motor is incredibly resistant. Air vents help to dissipate heat. Efficient processing. A large storage basket is attached to the top of the machine for efficient feeding. The juice machine is capable of squeezing up to 22 to 30 oranges, dia. 40 to 80 millimeters. The upgraded concave-convex balls help increase the juice yield by 5%. Easy to clean. The orange juice squeezer electric commercial adopts an upgraded pull-out type filter box for more convenient cleaning. 2 peels collecting buckets and the trip tray are detachable. A quick and simple cleanup to make your job so much easier. Reliability and safety. The on-off switch is protected by covers, effectively against the water and electrical leakage. The orange juicer will not start working without the stainless steel cover, relieving your worry about accidents. Wide usage. The juicer machine's commercial can quickly squeeze orange juice, pomegranate juice, lemon juice, etc. Widely used in grocery stores, restaurants, fruit shops, canteens, gym clubs, drink shops, bars, offices and more. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.